At Soul Machines, our mission is to humanize AI. Our pioneering biological AI tech extends the world of generative AI, creating a more human-like experience with more accurate and relevant outcomes and engaging interactive experiences. And, unlike other forms of AI, biological AI enables our digital people to interact with you in the real world. We use cognitive modeling to teach AI how to think, processing data the way humans do by interacting, building experience and context with datasets rather than just mathematical probabilities. We use embodied cognition to teach AI how to interact. Our biological AI goes further than generative AI by mimicking the underlying human systems to take in stimuli, process it, and react. These two methodologies unite in our patented digital brain, made with multiple AI-driven layers of simulated human systems, such as sensory and motor. Soul Machines, digital people can see, hear, interact, create memories, and even empathize the same way as real humans. This powerful human-centered interface provides solutions across industries, reimagining what's achievable in efficiency, education, engagement, and empathy. Through Soul Machines, digital people and biological AI, we are unlocking the future of human-focused AI, enabling dynamic interaction between the digital and physical worlds.